Hi guys, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use Jamboard. So right now I'm just going to show you some of the features. So your document up here should have a title, and because we are sending you each a copy, it should have your name with this title, My Name Graffiti Style. You can zoom in here on whatever you're working on. Background adds a background color. There are some options. You do not need to do this with this particular assignment. Clearing frame will clear out everything on this page and make it blank. There is another way to add blank pages, so only do that if you really need to take out what's on your page. Tools are over here. There is a highlighter or pen or marker or paintbrush, so you can choose what you want to use, and you can choose a color so you can draw. Ms. Rolfe and I will be drawing on your images to help you make corrections and with any suggestions and advice we have. You can erase things with the eraser. This is a selection tool. This is how we add these sticky notes, and you can change the color or you can make it transparent. You can pull in an image with this. So I will show you when I go through the file how to do that. Select either from your device by uploading. You could Google image search or go to Google Drive or Photos. For this assignment, you will be either uploading, or if you have already uploaded your image to Google Drive, you will get it from there. This is a circle tool. I don't know what this does. Oh, draw circles. Okay, undo. You can add text boxes, and there you go. And this is a highlighter tool, which is great for a presenter, but you probably won't need it. You will see me using it when I show you how to use your sketchbook. This is a digital sketchbook. This is a directory of your pages. So you can go to the next page, you can go backwards, or if you click right here, it will give you like a whole view of everything in here. So you could kind of scroll around and find the page you want. Within this, there's a dot, dot, dot. You can duplicate or delete the pages. If you want to close this little bar, just do that. And then options here, you could rename your file. You can download it as a PDF. You can save a single frame as an image. You can remove your file to the trash. You can make a copy of it, and this is just information from Google. So I think that's it for the overview.